In this conference, we have invited the renowned prominent speakers, keynotes, and also invited speakers to present and share their ideas. This is something that very important for development of Malaysia and the world.
MyCEB is playing a very, very important role for all of us, not just chemistry, but the scientific community in Malaysia to go out and bid for very, very big scientific conferences.
The Iupac General Assembly and World Chemistry Congress 2025 is considered the most prestigious event in terms of chemical sciences, and it's actually bringing together many researchers, chemists, academicians and policymakers, and not forgetting the industrial professionals all over the country.
It's a wonderful place. I'm finding a lot of people that are super interested in chemistry as a whole, and I'm very happy to be in Malaysia. I think the organizers are doing a fantastic job.
Malaysia has done very well. Very well in the organization. Very prompt, everything to precision. I really give kudos to Malaysia, especially the Institute of Chemia Conference, the IKC, whom they have collaborated with, and with all the collaborators.